Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you can access SBI Internet Banking or the Yono app. This is essential because the session carries your authentication. Once logged in, go to Profile or Service Request immediately and choose Update Mobile Number. You need your CIF and debit card details for OTP verification. Make sure to enter them exactly. Start now, because these details trigger secure verification and prevent session timeouts that force you to restart. Once done with entering the new mobile, the system will send OTPs to both your old and new numbers to confirm you own them. This dual check reduces fraud. You must supply debit card digits or account info as prompted, then input each OTP carefully before they expire. After verification, confirm the update and save the displayed service request ID. This reference lets you track status or escalate if the change does not reflect in 24-48 hours. You finish by logging out and then signing back in after 24 to 48 hours to confirm the new number is active. This delay allows central processing. If the number hasn't changed, call SBI Customer Care or visit your branch with the saved SR ID. This accelerates troubleshooting. Make sure to keep screenshots of confirmations and any error messages. They act as proof and help the bank resolve mismatches quickly. If OTPs fail repeatedly, check network or SIM activation first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.